Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how we turned $1,700 into over $36,000 in just the last 3 days by trading and flipping NFTs on Immutable X on free information I've shared with you on this channel. So guys, there's way too many fakers in this space. For example, if you've been on Twitter, you know there's people who post these screenshots that they have 1,000 Ethereum and they say they're going to give it away, but they don't ever give away Ethereum, right? Who's seen those, right? Let me know down in the comments below. There's people who say we're doing a giveaway, right? Then they don't do a giveaway. There's too many people who are completely fake in the space, and so that's why I thought I'd do something that I've never seen anyone do, which is actually show you every single transaction and actually prove to you these profits and this title right here is not clickbait. These are real numbers, and so I'm actually going to show you every single transaction so you see that these are not made up numbers and how you can do this too. So most importantly, obviously I'll be breaking down every transaction, how we turn this 1,700 into 36,000 in 3 days, okay? And I'm going to show you which project I'm going to be going big into next, okay? And third, we've got a new Discord group in the making. So if you want to join our Discord group, make sure you're watching this video all the way through. Okay, that is going to be the most alpha group ever. Okay, or at least that's my plans and my hopes. So guys, let's get into it. I'm going to break down every single transaction, starting with the wallet that you see right here. We've got 2 Astro Bros in here, and we are going into the transactions page so you can see every single transaction. Like I said, who else is breaking down every transaction? I've never seen anyone do it, and that's why I'll be the first to do it. So let's break this down. You see plus 0.88 Ethereum for selling this Moody Crow right here. 0.88 Ethereum right there. Okay, let's go to the next one. We made 0.389 Ethereum on this, 0.389 Ethereum there. We made 0.36 Ethereum on this, 0.35 Ethereum on this, 1.19 Ethereum there. Okay, so 36, 35, 1.19, 36, 35, 119, done. Okay, moving on. We made 0.78 Ethereum here, 0.27 Ethereum here, 0.27 Ethereum here. What do you see? 0.78 Ethereum plus 0.27 plus 0.27. We move along. You're going to see I made another flip here, plus 0.42 Ethereum for selling this Moody Crow, plus 0.42 Ethereum there. Okay, and so keep in mind in both of these wallets I'm going to show you, we minted 5 crows for 0.25 Ethereum each. Okay, so total invested in this wallet so far from the transactions I've shown you, that's 0.25 invested to get all of these profits. But I still have a couple more transactions I got to show you, so check this out. I made a deposit of 0.24 Ethereum here, and I've also made a deposit of 1.01 Ethereum here. But if you look, I bought a crow on the pre-sale, okay, when there was only 1,000 available for 0.95 Ethereum, guys. And the reason I did this one, okay, this to me was a gag. This was a gag pickup or a joke pickup because it had number 281, okay, and 281 is the Houston area code, which is where I'm from. So I picked this one up as a joke as my first purchase to basically rep Houston. And it's funny because this ended up being the worst and the most common crow you could have possibly got. So Houston area code failed me this time, but basically if you add 0.95 that I deposited to get this crow right here, the Houston area code, and this 0.24 deposit right there, if you add that up, that equals 1.19 Ethereum invested as well. So we invested 1.19 Ethereum plus 0.25 Ethereum to mint. So when you add that up, that's 1.44 Ethereum total invested into this wallet. And when you add up all these transactions right here, okay, you can actually get your calculator out and add this up so you know I'm not BSing you. This equals 4.9 Ethereum out of this wallet with only 1.44 Ethereum total invested. So that's wallet number 1. Out of all these transactions, 4.9 Ethereum came out of it, and only 1.44 was invested. Moving on to my second wallet here, guys. We are going to connect to it. Give me a second here. Okay, so moving on to this wallet here, you can see I have 2 rare Moody Crows that I am holding on to. And remember, in the other wallet, I was holding 2 Astro Bros. We're going to check the transactions on this wallet and do the math and show you, once again, these are not made up numbers. These are not clickbait titles of 30x like other channels you see out there. These are real numbers, okay? So we sold this crow right here for 0.71 Ethereum, 0.71 right there. And we sold the other 2 crows for 0.27 and 0.279, 0.27, 0.279. So in total, we got 5 crows on this wallet. We spent and invested 0.25 Ethereum. Out that we've gotten so far is 1.259 Ethereum out. So in total, profit collected on this wallet right here, guys, is 1.259 Ethereum. So we add the profit from wallet number 2 to wallet number 1, 1.259 plus 4.9. Remember, you can get your calculator out and do the math yourself so you know these are real numbers. We made 6.159 Ethereum total collected in profit as of now from these 2 wallets. And if you do the math, remember, 1.44 Ethereum invested into this wallet plus 0.25 Ethereum invested in this wallet. Guys, we only invested, okay, 1.69 Ethereum in total to realize 6.159 Ethereum in profits so far. 6.159 Ethereum in profits, 0.159. So far in realized gains, we have 22,000 in realized gains just from what we've sold so far. Now, remember, I'm still holding, okay, I'm still holding these 2 ones, which are very rare, or at least this one is very rare. So let me show you what this guy's going for. Obviously, I have him listed for 69 Ethereum, so if you want to pick him up off of me, go for it. But let's actually see the real price of this guy. So let's actually start off with Special Armor, okay, which is the Vegeta Crow. So you can see the Vegeta Armor, okay, is going for a minimum. Okay, the cheapest you can get one with armor is $3,300. Okay, now just a second ago it was about $3,600 was the minimum. So let's say that's $3,300 there, which is let's basically 1 Ethereum. Okay, $3,300 is 1 Ethereum basically. And then remember, do the math here. We've got another crow. Okay, and this is a really rare one right here. So let's actually go here to. We need to change this to a. Zebra print. Oh, by the way, guys, stick with me here, okay? Because if you do remember, I'm showing you which NFT project I'm really going to get into big next, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get yourself a spot in our very limited Discord group. Okay, so we're going Zebra print here. Hat was a Jester hat right here. Okay, so you can see the lowest these are going for, guys, is $10,000, $11,000 for one of these. Now, granted, those aren't getting sold, so if we wanted to get a quick flip, if we want to make sure someone bought it right away from us, we could sell that for $9,000 right there. So what is $9,000? Someone would pick that up quickly. So 2.5 Ethereum plus the other crow right here is another 0.9 Ethereum. So let's just say that's 3.4 Ethereum liquid if we wanted to sell and flip it right now. Remember, that's not my intention. I'm going to hold it here. Okay, but that's another 3.4 Ethereum on this wallet. And then remember on the other wallet, guys, we had 2 Astro Bros. How much are Astro Bros going for right now? Let's do the math here, or let's check. They're going for 0.33 Ethereum. So remember, I have 2 of them. So if I want to sell both right now at the floor, that would be 0.66 Ethereum. So remember, we've got 3.4 based on these 2 crows right here and their rarity and their value. Okay, so these crows are 3.4. Plus 0.66 because of the 2 Astro Bros in the other wallet. Guys, that's 4 Ethereum. Let's just say it's another 4 Ethereum right there. Okay, so back to the drawing board. I put 3.88 when I was making these this slide for you guys so you could see it was 3.88. It actually has increased in value since I made this board like 30 minutes ago. Okay, so let's just say it's 3.88, guys. Really, I just got 4 Ethereum here, but let's just say it's 3.88, okay? Then if you add, these are unrealized gains, right? This is if I want to sell it and flip these right now. Remember, I'm not flipping them right now, but that's another 3.88 in unrealized gains. Remember, they could easily be realized if I wanted to sell it right now at those floor prices that I've shown you there. Okay, so you add 6.159 profit that we have realized in this wallet, plus 3.88 Ethereum unrealized so far. You get a total of around 10 Ethereum, guys. And that 10 Ethereum is worth, okay, $36,000 with only $1,700 invested, okay? Or if you want to say it's 1.69 Ethereum invested, it would be $6,000. Now, the reason I say it's $1,700 invested is because remember that Moody Crow that I bought for almost a full Ethereum because it was the Houston area code? That was a joke purchase. That's what we call, I would call that a gag purchase. I wasn't doing that seriously. I was doing that because I wanted to rep Houston, especially if this was going to be a project that would go to, huge ETH floor. I wanted to have the Houston area code. You see what I mean? So that one was like a joke. So if you exclude that one, then really it was $1,700 into $36,000, guys, in 3 days. So, guys, I've never seen anyone break down every single transaction, show you transparently how they did it, and there I have just done that. So there you guys go. These are not made up numbers. These are real numbers, and I've shown you the math there. So that is how we turn 1,700 into 36K. Guys, we have been ahead of the game here. Congratulations to all the people who have also profited alongside me here. 4 days ago, I made a video talking about how Immutable X was going to be big, how money was going to flow into it, the popularity was going to rise, and new users were going to be attracted to this platform. And that was my thesis. And so my thesis was correct. And I said, guys, these next couple months are going to be huge, and these projects are going to do extremely well. So if you believed or understood my thesis, then you also rode for huge gains, and I've got a lot of awesome comments, people telling me thank you, that they made a lot of money. So congratulations to our community and everyone who took part in this. That being said, this is in the past, okay? This is what has happened. This is how I turned 1,700 into 36,000 in 3 days, okay? But what is next? What is the next project we're going to be getting into? And that's what I'm showing you right now. So drum roll, please, guys. I've already actually showed you this, but the reason I'm bringing it to your attention now is because we have an official release date, which is pre-sale on the 13th and 14th here for whitelisted members of the Jungle Freaks Discord, as well as the public sale, which will be taking place next Friday, I believe that is. So get ready, guys. Jungle Freaks is the next big drop. That's why I've sold so much of what I had. Okay, because I want to be liquid for this drop right here. I believe this drop is going to produce fantastic profits for everyone involved, assuming you can pay the gas and mint a large amount of these Jungle Freaks. So guys, I have already made a video breaking these down and what my price prediction is for these, how to understand the gas and how much the gas could cost you, as well as the profitability I'm expecting. Okay, so check this video if you haven't already. That's going to give you a very in-depth breakdown of Jungle Freaks and what you need to know so you can profit here next week. So that's the next project I'm getting ready for. That's why a lot of people will probably say, man, I can't believe you sold this early. Okay, but once again, it's because I believe the opportunity here is where I want to put my money into next, over the opportunity cost I would have staying in here. Okay. Now guys, as I mentioned at the very beginning of this video, talks about a Discord group. It's something I'm thinking or I really want to do, but at the same time I'm having a hard time going through with it because I don't, number one thing is I don't want to charge money for the Discord group. I want it to be free, but you have to understand, how is alpha generated? How are these huge returns generated? Is knowing about something before everyone else does, right? For example, if you knew about Bitcoin in 2013, that's huge alpha, okay? And you got to understand alphas, right? Alpha people, the characteristic, there are fewer alphas than there are other types of people. And so, for example, if you have a free Discord group where everyone can join, you have 5,000, 10,000 people, and you're sharing your alpha with 10,000 people, it's no longer alpha, guys. Okay, that information is known to everybody. Remember, how do you make these huge gains? How do you make these massive returns? Okay, it's through pure alpha, is by being on the ship before everyone comes on the ship. Okay, that's pure alpha. That's how these returns are made. And so I understand that the Discord group has to be extremely limited for the alpha that we are going to be giving in there for it to be powerful, right? Once again, in this space, it's small, right? The NFT space is small. So when you share your alpha with everyone, that's who you're competing with, okay? And so the more you share your information with everyone on, your alpha, right? This super profitable 30x information with, the more you're really just diluting yourself, the more you're actually hurting yourself. And so the only way to make sure that this Discord group is valuable to each person who's in it is it has to be limited, guys. That's the only way. I'm sorry. Like I said, if there is a possible way that I could help 5,000 or 10,000 people, then I would do it. I would do it, and I do it on this channel as best as I can. But we're talking about the purest of alpha, the alpha that makes you 30x, 50x, 100x, whether that's on NFTs, crypto, microcap gems. Okay, the purest alpha is when few people know about it, and then everyone knows about it. But you got to be the few people who know about it before everyone else. That's where the huge gains are made. And so for that reason, the Discord groups got to be limited. I can't just let everyone in, because once again, that's your competition and you're diluting the power of your alpha. Alpha is knowing about things before everyone else, and usually it starts in a very small group and then it works its way out to the masses. That's where the X's are made. And once people realize that, maybe then they'll start getting these 30 X's. Okay, but until you realize that, you won't get these 30 X's. And so if you do realize that, right, if you do understand that the biggest X's, the 50 X's, the 100 X's start small, right? They start when very few people know about it, and then everyone knows about it. And so that's why the Discord group will be limited. And so if you want to get your spot in the Discord group, then make sure you get it soon, okay? I will have it up soon. You can get it on our site. It's going to be very cheap to get into, but the reason for even having a price, like I said, I wish I could just do it free for everyone, all right? But then that would mean everyone would join, okay? The only way you make less people join is by having some kind of price, and like I said, it's going to be cheap, but that's going to eliminate a lot of people who were going to join, and that's the thing, is we can't have everyone join, guys. The alpha, the power of it is completely diluted when everyone knows it, right? That it's like, I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, then I don't know what to tell you. It makes complete sense to me. So guys, our exclusive Discord group will be up and ready soon. And I hope you guys are ready, okay? Because that's where the purest gains are going to be made. The 30 X's, the 20 X's, right? These are legitimate X's, not like the videos you watch out there that every title says 50X, 100X, but it's all bullshit. You know, name a video that actually showed you and made 50X. Very, very few. And that's what we'll actually do here. So make sure you take part of it if that's something you value. And like I said, it's going to be super cheap. But yeah, there will be that barrier to entry. So that way we don't have thousands and thousands of people joining. That way we can keep the alpha. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, I showed you transparently and everything on how we turn that 1700 into 36K. I showed you the next project we're going big into, and I showed you what it takes to make those 30x gains. It's by holding the purest of alpha and starting in a small group of people that know about something before everybody else knows about it. When you do that, that's where the explosive gains are made, and that's where you can risk very little to make a lot. So if you want to be a part of the alpha group and make these X's and these returns, guys, make sure to snag that Discord spot here whenever I give that update. Remember, I'll text our WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp group chat when the Discord is ready to join. So if you want an update on exactly when it's ready, make sure you're in our WhatsApp group. The link is down below to join it. And that's where I'll update you when the Discord is ready to go, guys. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. That's your full transparent breakdown here. I hope you enjoyed it. Nobody else is doing that or showing you how they're actually making these gains. And hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.